right so far.
This is your second skydive? You guys liked it so much the first time? Awesome. You want to go have some fun?
Yeah.
Way cool. What was your favorite part last time?
Landing.
Landing?
We'll see if we can have some more enjoyment in this one, alright? Make this one real good. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, well, let's go have some fun. High five. High five.
Awesome. Alright.
Here we go.
Alright.
Alright, we got an airplane. Together. That's how we slow this thing down like we're gonna land. Oh, you got a good grip, right? You okay?